Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. I'm super excited today. Today's video is my hallway laundry room makeover. So I'm going to be deep cleaning, decluttering, and reorganizing this space. I actually made a previous video on this and clearly we need to work on it, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing is taking everything out of the laundry room, and I'm going to place all the items in the kitchen just for a better video quality. But I'm using the Konmari method. I know I've talked about that in a couple of previous videos, but with the Konmari method, the first step is to take everything out and to acknowledge how much stuff you have, and then after that I'll declutter and then we'll reorganize. So here's a look of everything that was in the laundry room. So I have a couple of things in mind that I want to show you guys, some tips and hacks and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. So our laundry detergent is in like the original box, and of course it's not too pretty because it's a yellow color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in this glass jar, and I just purchased the glass jar from Walmart for like $7. And then I also went ahead and purchased 2 more white baskets to go along with the ones that I already have. So the next thing I'm doing is cleaning the washer and dryer. The best tip I have for this is to take the microfiber cloth that is dry and wipe it down first. So it's like you're dusting it first. So that way all the dust doesn't clump up whenever you clean it with the all-purpose spray and it makes a bigger mess. So just make sure to use the dry cloth to wipe it down, and then you can spray the Mrs. Meyer's or whatever all-purpose spray that you're using, and then wipe it down with the cloth after that as well. So now you see me cleaning the top shelf. So it wasn't too smart for me to clean that second, so I'll have to go clean the washer and dryer right afterwards. So there's a tip for you guys. Make sure you always clean top to bottom. I know I say it all the time, but I totally forgot in this moment of time. So another tip is I leave my hangers in the laundry room, so that way whenever you're grabbing your clothes out of the dryer, all you have to do is grab the hangers as well. So it'll give you a more incentive to go ahead and get it done and tackle that laundry, because I know a lot of people leave it in their closet and then they're having to take an extra step to go to their closet to get the hangers in order to hang their clothes up. So that's just one of my tips, is to leave your hangers in the laundry room. So as you see, we're back in the kitchen and it's taking everything out, and then we'll declutter and reorganize these items. I know there's so many options out there as far as using containers, but the only tip that I would get is just to make sure it's a plastic container and not the cloth ones, because the plastic container is so much easier to clean, especially when you have like your cleaning supplies and something spills out. So you don't have to go and purchase anything new. So I've had these since I did my last laundry room makeover, and I'll put that video in the description below if you want to check that one out. So the best way that I reorganized was to place things by category. So I put all my Jaws cleaners together. So that's things that I use daily to clean the house. And then you'll see me put like the more stronger cleaners. So like the carpet spot cleaner and the Goo Gone and things like that. I put that in a tub. And then I put all my Mrs. Meyer's together along with my microfiber cloths. And then my soap, Mrs. Meyer's, will be with the spray and the cloths as well. And then what I was doing right there was I was placing all like my paints and different projects all around the house in the same basket, so that way whenever I'm ready to tackle a paint job or something like that, I have that all together. So in this blue container, I'm just placing all my light bulbs. We recently switched from the warm light bulbs to the daylight light bulbs. So if you are a rising YouTuber, I would definitely recommend it. It makes great natural light. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the laundry detergent and place it into the glass jar. I do show you guys the whole process of me doing this because I felt like it was so satisfying.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better.
So now that I've deep cleaned, decluttered, and reorganized, I'm just taking the baskets back to the closet and I'll show you how I organize those in the closet.
But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction.
So the first basket you see is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. I also have all-purpose spray and then my microfiber cloths in there. The next basket you'll see I have all my like deep cleaning products. So I have like my Comet, my glass cleaner. Also I have like Goo Gone and carpet spot cleaner. And then this one I have my Jaws cleaner. So those like are my daily cleaners, my disinfectant. And then in the blue tub I have a couple of car supplies along with my light bulbs. And then the last one I have all of my project items, and then I did end up putting a soap refiller tub in there, but it fit perfectly. And then this was my favorite part of all. I love how this turned out. And so this is my washing powders, and then I just, like I said, I just placed it in that glass jar, and I found it in the kitchen section in Walmart. So I hope you guys like how everything turned out. This is a before for you guys, and then I'll show you the after. I want to thank you guys again for watching this hallway laundry room makeover. I hope it gets you up and motivated to deep clean, reorganize, and declutter your space today. Like I said, I always use the Konmari method if you want to research that. I also have quite a few videos on the Konmari method if you want to check it out. I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.